Hi, I'm Colin Stagnito. We take to the skies for many different reasons and in many different aircraft. And as the leader in advocating for a vibrant general aviation, AOPA is proud to work with Piper Aircraft in helping them reveal what they're calling the new generation of Piper performance.
AOPA keeps flying safe, accessible, and fun by protecting your freedom to fly. We are the most trusted one-stop resource for all things related to general aviation. Become an AOPA pilot today.
Thank you for joining us today on this very important moment in Piper's history. Today, myself and the entire Piper family here at our Vero Beach, Florida headquarters and around the globe would like to introduce you to the newest member of our Piper M class, the all-new Piper M700 Fury.
At Piper Aircraft, we continuously advance towards maximum performance with the power of our 87-year legacy. Meet the first of a new generation of the M-Class family. Featuring the powerful PT-6A 52 Pratt & Whitney engine, producing 700 shaft horsepower, and Garmin's innovative technology, including AutoLand. The M700 Fury, an aircraft worthy of the name, an indomitable force. With performance surpassing its predecessor, the M700 Fury has 20% shorter takeoff and landing distances, a 30% improved climb rate of over 2,000 feet per minute, and reaches a maximum cruise speed of over 300 knots. The M700 Fury takes you from Miami to Houston in less than 2 hours, Miami to Barranquilla, Colombia in 3.5 hours, and London to Madrid in less than 4 hours. At over 1 million less than its closest competitor, the M700 Fury transcends traditional limits with more power, blistering performance, a finely appointed interior, and the luxury of what matters most: time. Experience the Fury. Join the legacy. Piper.